Good morning, children. Let's begin our next topic, desert habitats. Let us discuss about animals found in deserts. Animals such as rats, lizards, scorpions, and snakes can survive in hot deserts. They rest in day under shades of rocks or in burrows. To avoid high temperature, they come out at night when it is cooler. Camel is also called the ship of the desert because of its adaptive features. Camels have many adaptive features that allow them to survive in the desert. It has long legs. They help them to keep their bodies away from the heat of the sand. Their thick eyebrows shield the eyes from the sun, while the long eyelashes keep the sand out. Its nostrils can close so that sand does not enter its nose. They store fat in the hump, which provides energy when food is unavailable. They also conserve water by sweating and by excreting small amount of urine. Also, it can drink large quantity of water when available. Camels' feet are broad, so they can walk on the sand easily without sinking into it. It has thick lips, so they can eat the prickly desert plants without feeling pain. Their ears are covered with hair, which keep out sand or dust. Let us discuss about desert plants. Plants in desert do not need a lot of water to survive. They have long roots to penetrate deep inside the soil in search of water. In some plants, such as cactus, the stem is green and fleshy. Photosynthesis takes place in the stem. The stems store a large amount of water when water is available. Due to this feature, they are also called succulent plants. The thick waxy covering on the stem helps to retain water. Flowers only open in night as it is cool and are closed during the day. The leaves are reduced to spines to prevent loss of water due to transpiration. In our next class, we will discuss about mountain and polar regions. Thank you.